Uh, Having a quorum of the LNI Board of Review, we will formally open this meeting. We have several preliminary announcements to share with you, though, before we get started. All of you have been muted so that we could eliminate background noise and general confusion as we open the cases. Secondly, we also want to advise everyone that this is a formal hearing, as if you were sitting in a courtroom. So that means that no eating, no drinking, no sleeping, reclining in your bed, no inappropriate clothing. Everyone must be fully dressed and appropriate for court, as a formal hearing would respect. Also, we ask that, gentlemen, once we start the hearing and your case is called, please remove all your headgear. We'd ask if anyone is in a vehicle that if you are moving, you can't be driving or in a moving vehicle while your case is being heard. If you are not parked in a safe place, we will not hear your case. Also, would advise those individuals, as cases are called, the law department will put on the record matters that have been already resolved. If, and they will use terms like moot or moot complied. Please pay close attention, excuse me. If your matter is noted as moot or moot complied, you're done for the day. It's resolved. You may excuse yourself. This is a public hearing, so if you choose to stay on, that's fine. But your matter is resolved. If you need to understand the difference between a moot case and a moot compliant case, please call the administrator. The name and phone number that is on the correspondence that you received. Please do not break in as we're trying to hear other cases. We have quite a bit to do today, so we don't want to stop moving so everyone has an opportunity to have their matter heard. Okay, the board and other members of our panel will introduce themselves, after which we will hear from the law department. Again, I'm Kenneth Woodson, board chair.
Ralph Pincus, board member.
Steve Pettit, board member.
Roger S. Tennant, senior board member.
Sherry, board counsel.
Richard Wade, board administrator.
Thank you very much. Okay, who do we have from the law department?
Good afternoon, Chairman Woodson. Jim Kelly on behalf of the city.
Afternoon, Mr. Kelly. What do you have for us today?
I'll start with number 2, HA 2023-5029, 1903 South Alder Street, Billin Chen, moot complied.
Moot complied, thank you.
Number 3, 2023-5054, 2870 North Lawrence Street, Yvette Gordian, moot.
Moot, thank you.
Number 4, ending in 5080, 1515 West Pike Street, Dorothea Gray. That's an agreement for a city affirm and a 90-day stay of enforcement.
90-day stay, okay, thank you.
Number 5, ending in 5084, 7325 North Bouvier Street, Heather Webb, moot complied.
Moot complied, thank you.
Number 6, ending in 5086, 2818 West Oxford Street, Haley Diamond, moot.
Moot.
Number 7, ending in 5090, 2534 Massey Street, evidence OJIEGBE, moot complied.
Moot complied, thank you.
Number 8, 2023-5107, 1177 South 9th Street, Giuseppe Villico. That's an agreement for a city affirm and a $100 fine.
City affirm, $100 fine. Okay, thank you.
Number 9, ending in 5123, 4657 Nixon Street, Manayunk Renaissance LLC, moot complied.
Thank you.
Number 10, ending in 5137, 2048 East Auburn Street, Ruslan Niken, moot.
Moot, okay.
Number 11, ending in 5140, 262 High Street, Sarah Moreau, moot complied.
Moot complied, thank you.
Number 12, ending in 5141, 3319 Guilford Street, Yuan Zhu. That's an agreement for a city affirm and a $150 fine.
Thank you.
Number 13, ending in 5156, 1845 Hartranft Street, Parker Development Group LLC. That's a continuance, I believe, by agreement.
It's continuance, not, okay. Okay, thank you. We'll note it as continued.
Thank you. Number 14, ending in 5201, 110 Market Street, Ryan Burley, moot complied.
Thank you.
Number 15, ending in 5211, 5705 North Park Avenue, Sam Nelson, moot complied.
Thank you.
Number 16, 2023-5213, 2266 North Lambert Street, Lynette Taylor. That's an agreement for a city affirm and a 180-day stay of enforcement.
Okay, 180-day stay. Okay, thank you.
Number 17, ending in 5221, 2019 Cecil B. Moore Avenue, Alex Rabayo. That's the city's continuance request. The inspector is out today. I had spoken with the appellant who had no objection.
Okay, is the appellant present today or not? It's appellant that's present. I'd like that person just to go on the record. Alex Rubayo. Alex Rubayo. Okay, no one's responding. Okay, we would note for the record that that matter is continued.
Thank you. Number 18, ending in 5226, 2122 South 15th Street, Vince Yip, moot complied.
Thank you.
Number 19, ending in 5227, 2122 South 15th Street, Vince Yip. That's an agreement for a city affirm and a $150 fine.
Thank you.
Number 20, ending in 5234, 12626 Medford Road, Linda Fitzgerald, moot.
Moot. Thank you.
Number 21, 2023-5235, 6411 Malvern Avenue, Felicia Goodson, moot complied.
Thank you.
Number 22, ending in 5236, 6411 Malvern Avenue, Felicia Goodson, moot complied.
Thank you.
Number 23, ending in 5241, 826 North 2nd Street, Elite Fire Protection. That appeal was withdrawn by the appellant.
Okay.
Number 24, ending in 5242, 1448 East Hollingsworth Street, Barbara Sexita, moot.
Moot. Thank you.
Number 25, ending in 5244, 3208 Diamond Street, CKRE Properties LLC, moot complied.
Right. Thank you.
Number 26, ending in 5245, 2006 South Beechwood Street, Nicholas Fascini, moot.
Moot. Thank you.
Number 27, ending in 5248, 1304-08 East Passyunk Avenue, Bath House LLC. That's an agreement for a city affirm and a 270-day stay of enforcement.
270-day stay. Okay. Thank you.
Number 28, ending in 5250, 199 Tiber Street, Evelyn Matos, moot complied.
Thank you.
Number 29, 2023-5251, 900 Washington Avenue, Cassette Enterprises, Inc., doing business as Wings More. That appeal was withdrawn by the appellant.
Thank you.
Number 30, ending in 5256, 330 North 63rd Street, BSD Way 6 LLC. That is the appellant's continuance request that the city is not opposing.
Okay, so we'll note it as continued.
Thank you. Number 31, ending in 5266, 5420 Euclid Street, Carol Mack, moot complied.
Thank you.
Number 32, ending in 5268, 5420 Euclid Street, Carol Mack, moot complied.
Thank you.
Number 33, ending in 5272, 2145 Cross Street, David Kai, moot complied.
Thank you.
Number 34, ending in 5274, 7613 Revere Street, Theodore Chant III, moot.
Moot. Thank you.
Number 35, ending in 5309, 900 block of Dickinson Street, Chris Meck and Jim Graham, moot.
Moot.
Number 36, 2023-5319, 351 East Roosevelt Boulevard, Saifuddin Ahmed, moot.
Moot.
Number 37, ending in 5326, 4918 North 8th Street, Candida Abab, moot.
Moot.
Number 38, ending in 5327, 57330 Colgate Street, Dawood Gahari, moot complied.
Moot compliant. Thank you.
Number 39, ending in 5329, 2113 Chelton Ave, Angelique McKinney, doing business as Ebrons. That is an agreement for a city affirm pending the outcome of a scheduled ZBA decision.
Okay, I'm not quite certain how that works. Once it's a city affirmed in terms of the violation, correct?
Yes, there's a stay of enforcement pending the outcome of the ZBA hearing.
Oh, okay. So city affirmed, stay of enforcement pending ZBA.
Yes,
Okay. All right. Just one moment. We'll make sure the record is clear.
absolutely.
City affirmed, stay of enforcement pending ZBA. Okay. Thank you.
Next is number 41, ending in 5338, 721 North 49th Street, Shirley Lennon and Bernie Kelly. That case has been settled by agreement. I can turn it over to my colleague, Ms. Patchell, if you have further questions.
Yeah, I just need to know what the terms of the agreement are.
Good afternoon, Chairman Woodson. The terms of this agreement are a little bit unusual. What the terms are is that LNI is withdrawing 3 out of the 4 violations that was issued in this notice of violation, CF 2023-121525. The remaining violation pertains to the need for an electrical permit. LNI has consented to allow a licensed electrician to inspect work performed at this subject premises of 721 North 49th Street and confirm that no wiring was done. If that is in fact confirmed, then the remaining violation will be withdrawn as well. Does that satisfy you, Chairman Woodson, or do you have any additional questions?
Mr. Chair, I have a question.
Yes.
Ms. Patchell, that inspector that you spoke of, electrical, is that a city electrical inspector or a third party electrical inspector?
So that's going to be a third party. So I drew up this agreement with Supervisor Robert Keenan. We're going to have Ms. Lennon, the appellant, can have a licensed electrician come in and confirm that no electrical wiring was done, which is what she is alleging. He can then, he being the electrician, provide that information to Supervisor Keenan and myself, and the department at that point will withdraw the final violation.
Okay. So basically, city affirmed in one remaining open violation pending reinspection. Am I summarizing it correctly?
It's not technically a city affirmed because she's not affirming the violation. The violation will likely probably be withdrawn.
So let's do this. Let's do this. Why don't we just continue to note for the record that it's continued, and what will happen is that when it comes up again, you will just put the final status on it.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah,
Do you
because
have
otherwise, what you're proposing doesn't really work.
Okay, that's a good suggestion. I'll reach out to Mr. Wade for a suggested next listing date.
Okay, let's do it that
Thank
way.
you.
Just one moment, just before we continue this. HA 2023-005-338, 721 North 49th Street, Shirley Lennon and Bernie Kelly, continued.
Thank you.
All right. Okay, what else do we have? Mr. Kelly?
The next case is number 42, ending in 5339, 5101 Pentridge Street, Joseph DeGran, agreement for a city affirm and a $150 fine.
Okay,
Next is number 43, ending in 5340, 5105 Pentridge Street, Joseph DeGrand. Agreement for city affirm, $150 fine.
is that an additional 150 or it's the
Yes,
same?
it's $300 total, $150 in each case.
Okay. Thank you.
Next is number 44, ending in 5346, 6353 Buist Avenue, Joanne Toll, moot complied.
Thank you.
Number 45, ending 2024-37, 6548 North Uber Street, Daniel Harvey, doing business as DMH Investments Flips LLC, moot complied.
Welcome back. Thank you.
Number 46, ending in 4456, 1517-19 North Bailey Street, Brewery Town Beats, moot.
Thank you.
Number 47, 2023-4195, 1037 Folkrod Street, Trio Homes LLC. That's an agreement for a city affirm and a 4-month stay of enforcement.
City of Perm, 4-month stay. Okay.
Number 48, ending in 4151, 105 West Clearfield Street, Minerva Casada, moot complied.
Thank you.
And finally, number.
You're gonna want to read that in the Spanish interpreter. I think there's a Spanish interpreter.
My apologies. You're absolutely correct. We have a Spanish interpreter present.
Hello.
Yes, sir. If you put your name on the record, please.
Yes, of course. My name is Leonel, Leonel, Gillen, Guillen.
Okay, thank you, sir. Would you raise your right hand so you may be sworn? Do you swear to faithfully translate from English to Spanish, from Spanish to English, the proceedings regarding 105 West Clearfield Street?
I swear.
Thank you very much.
I don't
Okay.
see the appellant.
Okay, well, that's okay. What we will do, sir, from this point forward, please interpret in Spanish everything going forward. Okay, let's read it in and put it on the record.
Number 48, ending in 4151.
Bien,
One
número
z-
4841, terminando en 4151.
105 West Clearfield Street,
La dirección de 105 West Clearfield Street.
Minerva Quesada,
La señorita Minerva Quesada.
moot complied.
Compilado, aceptado.
All right. Thank you. I believe that completes your assignment for today, sir.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
Okay. Mr. Kelly?
Finally, number 49, ending in 4179, 8042-44 Frankfurt Avenue, 188 State LLC. That's an agreement for a city affirm and a 270-day stay of enforcement.
270 days, stay. Okay, thank you. Number 40, what was the outcome of that one? That one you didn't put on the record.
Number 40, apologies. Number 40, ending in 5331, 6101 Palmetto Street, Xiomara Rodriguez. That is the appellant's continuance request. It's the first listing. There's no objection from the city.
Okay, we'll note that as continued.
Thank you. That's all that I have.
Thank you very much. I see a hand. I thought I saw a hand raised. Maybe I don't. Okay. All right. The board does have a question though regarding number 1. Who's handling that matter? 2026 South 13th Street.
Mr. Chair, it's Maria Aquino for the city.
Okay. Good afternoon, Ms. Aquino. I believe you're new. Your first time with the board.
That's right.
Okay. Welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, the concern we have is that we believe this is a corporate entity, and is anyone present representing Robert Curtis, 2026 South 13th Street? Anyone present? Okay, let's do this. Mr. Wade, read it in formally so we can start the record on that one.
This is case number 1, hearing appeal ending 2764, 2026 South 13th Street, Robert Curtis. Mr. Curtis listed 144 Delmont Avenue in Warminster, Pennsylvania. Notice of this hearing was sent to 144 Delmont Avenue in Warminster, Pennsylvania on September 27th.
Okay. Mr. Aquino, no one's responding. What is your pleasure?
Seeing no one present, the city requests the city affirm for failure to appear.
Okay, thank you very much. Mr. Pincus, what time do you have?
1:01 PM.
1:01 p.m. Okay. We will now poll the board regarding HA 2023-002764, 2026 South 13th Street, Robert Curtis, city affirmed non-appearance.
City affirmed for non-appearance.
City affirm non-appearance.
City affirmed for non-appearance.
Okay, thank you very much. I believe that completes the vote. Thank you, Mr. Aquino. I believe that completes our listing for today. Do we have any outstanding matters? I see quite a few people who are still on. Mr. Wade, do we have anything else on our list today?
No, we do not.
Okay. Well, this is a record. Thank you, everyone. I believe we've concluded our business for today. We've called every matter that was listed for today's hearing. Thank you very much. Have a good afternoon.
Thank you, board
Take
member.
care, everybody. Have a good afternoon.
Yeah, this concludes our
everyone.
hearing for today.
Thank you.
Okay, wait just one moment. Ms. Vortex, CMG 101, you're muted. Is there a problem? I'm not sure. Mr. Wade, can you unmute her?
I just sent a prompt.
She seemed confused. I just want to make sure we.
Hello?
Yes. Is there, were you
Ms.
concerned?
Ms. Gordian, yes, I think it was case number 32870 North Lawrence,
Yes.
and it said nuked. I wasn't sure what that meant.
Oh, it said moot. Now,
Moved.
yes. Now you need to call the administrator's office, as I instructed everyone to do. If you needed an explanation about moot or moot complied, there's a phone number on your correspondence. Call the administrator and they will explain it to you. But
Okay, well,
just
how you spell that? What is that spelling? Nuke?
MOOT.
Let's see. Okay, so just call them and they'll let me know what's going on.
It's over. The matter's been resolved.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay,
Thank you.
thank you. I don't think there's
Okay.
anything else from anyone. Thank you so much. Everyone have a good afternoon.